Hello everyone, welcome to TQ Gate classes, an initiative by TQ faculties. I am Nihit Bhatnagar. I have completed my MTech from IIIT Gwalior in Digital Communication in 2014. I have qualified GATE exam 6 times. At present, I am working as an assistant professor at SCTI Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. I have 4-year teaching experience. So, this is the 21st lecture of the lecture series of random variable and random process. So, a new question. The input to an ideal bandpass filter having frequency response characteristics shown in figure is white noise process with power spectral density that is equal to neta by 2. ओके तो आपको क्या दे रखा है जो एक ये जैसे आपके पास ये वो एक फिल्टर है एक एक बैंड पास फिल्टर है वीपीएफ है ओके वीपीएफ आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं आप नीटा बाई 2 इट मींस आप एक व्हाइट नॉइज इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं एनटी दैट इज व्हाइट नॉइज ओके वीपीएफ इसका कुछ इंपल्स रिस्पॉन्स है एसटी और इन फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन इट्स इंपल्स रिस्पॉन्स इज एच ऑफ ओमेगा वो आपको ये दे रखा है देन इससे कुछ आउटपुट वाईटी प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है then total noise power at the output of the filter is YT random process की power निकालनी है that is equal to expectation of y square t. In other words, it is equal to expectation of r y by 0. It means it is the if you find the autoconjugation function of this autoconjugation function of this random process y t and put tau equal to 0, you will get the power and it's also equal to it is in term of omega, that's why it is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinite to plus infinite and s y omega, it means s y omega, it means the power spectral density of this yt random process and d omega. Okay, s given to you it is n s n n of omega for r values of omega. For r values of omega, it is given to you, and we know the property that if we know the one property that s y omega that is equal to mod h of omega whole square into x omega. Now put here not x, it is n. It is not x, it is n. So it is n. It is n. Okay. Now put this relation here and you will get after taking the integration multiply with 1 upon 2 pi we will get the power. Okay, so you have to given that s and n of f that is equal to beta by 2. Here it's not mentioned for up to which region, up to which frequency. So and here is not all thing is in omega, so I'm not writing here f, it is in omega, it should in omega. Okay, and there is no thing is mentioned that you up to which range of frequency, so by default is all frequency of omega. Okay, now the output power spectral density that is s y omega that is equal to mod of h of omega whole square into input to the that band pass filter. It is the impulse response magnitude square of the impulse response of that band pass filter, and here the power spectral density of that is random white noise random process. Okay, now you can see here it is at h of it is the band pass filter impulse response. If I take here it maintains the there is no negative value or no negative value of this impulse response spectrum, and if I take the square here, so here is 1, it becomes square, that is also equal to 1. Okay, and now the power of yt that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinite to plus infinite as power spectral density of x t random process into d omega, or this you can write it here, integration 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinite to plus infinite, that is mod h of omega whole square, and Sn omega, that value is neta by 2 and d omega. Okay, now you can see here the, and now take common. Now neta by 2 is a constant, you can take it out from this integration. It's become neta upon 4 pi integration minus infinite to plus infinite mod h of omega square d omega. It is equal to, now it is the, it's complete integration of this mod h of omega whole square. It is the area of this these shaded region. These are also called the area of these shaded region. So, and both are same. So neta upon 4 pi. Now I'm taking multiply 2 because I'm taking the area of single this shaded region, because both are symmetrical and it is in the form of rectangle. So its width is wb and its height is 1. So it's equal to wb into height is 1. Okay, so it will become, it's equal to 2 neta wb upon 4 pi, 2 से 2 cancel, so it's become neta omega b, a wb whatever, no problem, upon 2 pi. So your answer is neta wb upon 2 pi. So correct answer of this question is option C. Option C. Now new question. This question was asked in GATE EC 2009. A white noise process xt with two-sided power spectral density that is equal to 1 × 10⁻10 watt per hertz input to a filter whose magnitude square response is shown figure. So it is already given to you. Okay, and it is the white noise. Here is the output. Now the power of the output of the power of the output process yt. Okay, you have to find the power of output process. So it is xt is the white noise. So it's as we know that the S power spectral density of the output, that is equal to mod of h of f square into x power spectral density of the input render process. Okay, that is this. So it is already given to us, and it is the input, and its power spectral density, that is equal to neta by 2, and that is equal to 1 × 10⁻10. That is equal to 1 × 10⁻10. Okay, and it is mod of h of f square. So I'm drawing this like this. So when we have to multiply both the terms, so this neta by 2, or that is equal to 1 × 10⁻10, that should multiply with this, so it's become 1 × 10⁻10. So that's why this will become as y of f, and this magnitude is become, it's equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into 10⁻10, that is equal to 10⁻10. Okay, now we have to find the power of output process. power of this output process. It means we have to find expectation of y square t. It is called the power. Also, we have to find the, in other words, we have to find the value of automatic function tau equal to 0, or it is the f scale. That's why it's become integration minus infinite to plus infinite s y y f df. df. Okay, in other words, you have to find the area of this triangle. You have to find the area of this triangle. So that is equal to 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times of the base is 2 kilohertz, because 10 to minus 10 to 10 kilohertz is equal to 20 kilohertz, and this height is equal to 10 to the power minus 10. So cancel, this become 10, so this become 10 to the 10 to the power 3, that is 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 10, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 6. So correct answer is option B. This is the very important question, and nowadays such type of question will ask. This question was asked in GATE EC 2018. Consider a white Gaussian noise with two-sided PSD, that is ये दे रखी है, that is 0.5 watts per hertz as input to a filter with impulse response that is equal to this. Okay, time t in second, resulting the output yt. Then power in yt in watt is. So आपको पावर निकालनी है, yt की पावर है. तो एक चीज देखिए, ये चीज हुई है. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जैसे पिछला क्वेश्चन देखा था हमने. सबसे पहले आपको एस वाई ए वाई ऑफ एफ फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, जो होता है आपका मॉड एच ऑफ एफ होल स्क्वायर एस. अब यहाँ एक्स की जगह एन है, दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्स एन एन ऑफ एफ. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द पावर ऑफ वाई टी. That is equal to integration minus infinite to plus infinite s y y f df. तो पहले आपको फर्स्ट टास्क, our task is to find the PSD of yt, the random process yt or output random process. Then we have to integrate from in the entire range of f from minus infinite to plus infinite. Now it is given that it is ht. It is ht. So st equal to 0.5 e to the power minus t square by 2. Okay. Now we have to find h of f. Okay. So e to the power minus 8t square. So its Fourier transform is equal to root pi by a e to the power minus omega square upon 4. Okay. Now here additional term is here. Here the additional term is there, that is 0.5. So I am writing 0.5 here. Okay. So I am multiplying here 0.5. Now the e to the power a square. So here a is equal to half. So a equal to half. Okay. Now I make changes here in this. So I make this a is equal to half, a is equal to half, and a is equal to half. So a is equal to half, so a equal to half into half. Okay. So 0.5 e to the power minus half t square. This Fourier transform is equal to root 2 pi e to the power minus the omega square, the here, and we know that omega equal to 2 pi f omega, so it's become 4 pi square f square upon 4 pi square f square upon, so it's become, and it cancelled by 2 here, so it's become 2 and 2, so 2 cancel, it's become 2, and this 0.25. okay, again 0.5 e to the power minus half t square is Fourier transform. Is Fourier transform is equal to, so this 0.5, this is 0.5, this is root 2 pi, and it is e to the power minus 2 pi square f square. Okay, now we have find this value, because this is h of t and this is h of f. Multiply, okay, I have put the value of mod h of f square, it is here, and here as n of f, that is equal to 0.5, so this is equal to 0.5. okay, I'm writing it here, so s y of y f, that is equal to this whole square is equal to I'm writing it as this thing as 1 by 2, whole square is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and is 1 by 2, that is why into half, multiply, this become 2 pi, root 2 pi square, it is become, and it's become e to the power, and we know e to the power a into power of b, that is equal to e to the power ab, so that's why it's become e to the power minus 4 pi square f square. okay, that is as excess of f, so 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया, so it's become 1 by 4, sorry, it's become pi by 4 e to the power minus 4 pi square f square. This term becomes this. Now put this term in this expression, equal to integration minus infinite to plus infinite, pi by 4 e to the power minus 4 pi square f square, and that is equal to df. okay, now pi by 4 you can take out from this integration, is equal to integration minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power minus 4 pi square f square df, e to the power minus a t square, integration minus infinite to plus infinite dt. Its value is equal to root pi upon a. Its value is equal to root pi by a. Now here you can see it here a equal to 4 pi square. okay, here is square equal to 4 pi square, so it's equal to pi by 4, and that's equal root over is equal to 4 pi square, that is equal to pi into and 4 pi square, that is 4 pi square. okay, term cancel, this term cancel, that is equal to root pi by 8, so that's why you will get answer 0.22 after solving by the virtual calculator. This value get 0.22, so correct answer of this option is option B. So this is the another very lengthy question, but if you understand the process how to solve, then it's very easy question. But one thing is important that एग्जाम में इस क्वेश्चंस को टॉपर्स ही अटेम्प्ट करता है. नॉर्मल जो इनकी प्रिपरेशन एवरेज होती है या किस जिनकी कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम के साथ इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है, रैंडम वेरिएबल के साथ इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है, वो इन क्वेश्चन को छोड़ देते हैं. नाउ दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. A random process xt with its it is given that its access power, its PSD is given, applied to input to the filter, that is ये filter दे रखा है. then find the PSD of output of y, or you can say PSD of random process yt. So you can see here it is the filter diagram. So we have to find the its impulse response, that is ht. Okay, or you can say we have to find the value of h of omega. We have to find the value h of omega, its impulse response, because we know s y of omega, that is equal to mod of h of omega whole square and h of excess omega. So this is all thing. This all thing are s y of omega. So here is excess omega. Here is excess omega. We have to find mod h of omega whole square. But so this is the value of mod h of omega whole square. So the impulse response this will become ht if we apply del t xt equal to del t, because if input is impulse function, that its response is called ht, or the Fourier transform of del function is Fourier transform is equal to 1. So you can see here, so its Fourier transform is equal to 1. Okay, here is del t. Here there is a delay, it means it's become del t minus capital T. Okay, so ht equal to st equal to del t minus capital T. Okay, so and if we introduce some delay del t minus capital T, so you have read this in Fourier transform, the time shifting, that is equal to t power minus j omega t into 1 ये हो गया. So from this you will get h of omega, that is equal to del t का Fourier transform 1 और del t माइनस इसका Fourier transform जो होता है आपका, that is e to the power minus का j omega t. So it's equal to 1 minus e to the power minus j omega t. Now it is equal to 1 minus, now e to the power j a, that is equal to cos a plus j sin a. If it is plus minus, so it's plus minus, so it's minus, that's why I'm writing in bracket is equal to cos omega t minus का j sin omega t. Okay, it is equal to 1 minus cos omega t bracket 1 and it is plus j sin omega t. It is equal to h of omega. Now mod h of omega, that is equal to modulus, so it is the a plus jb, that's become root over a square plus b square, that's why it's become 1 minus cos omega t whole square plus sin omega t whole square. So this will become 1 plus cos square omega t minus this 1 square plus 1 square plus cos square plus minus 2 cos minus 2 cos omega t plus sin square omega t. Now this cos square, this sin square, this become equal to 1 plus this become 1, this 1 minus 2 cos omega t. Okay, this is mod h of omega. Okay, here is x of omega square present in all terms. Okay, this is present in all terms. So here is h of mod h of omega. We have to square it, and this term become 2 minus 2 cos omega t. 2 minus 2 cos omega t. So it's become the root become it's become 2 minus 2 cos omega t bracket s xs omega. That is 2. You can do 2 as a out from this bracket as a common. 1 minus cos omega t bracket s xs of omega. So the correct answer of this question is option B. So this question was asked in GATE 2011. XT is a stationary random process. Okay, stationary means understood WSS with autocohesion function, that is Rx tau, that is equal to exp. It means e to the power minus pi tau square, that is tau square. This process is passed to the system shown below. इस सिस्टम से पास किया जा रहा है. The power spectral density of the output processes. So आपको इसकी आपको पावर स्पेक्ट्रल डेंसिटी निकालनी. इट मींस आपको एस वाई ऑफ एफ निकालना है. आपको क्या दे रखा है यहाँ पर? आपको इस इनपुट पे आपको ऑटोकोहेशन फंक्शन दे रखा है. आपको इसका ऑटोकोहेशन फंक्शन दे रखा है. Okay, as we know that if a process pass through a system, then a new process with as output will come. So for the power spectral density of that output system process is equal to SYY of F equal to mod H of F whole square into X xx of F. Okay. Okay, it is called impulse response. It is called impulse response. It's called impulse response. Okay, we know very well. Impulse response means the response at when unit impulse, that is del tau, is applied at input. Okay, so now we have to apply here. Now as a input we have to apply del t here. So that's why its output become ht. Okay, the Fourier transform del t is equal to 1. The del t, its Fourier transform. Its Fourier transform, that is equal to 1. So there, and so it is ht. So it's become h of f. Okay, so it's become 1. So you can see here, so h of t is Fourier transform of h of f, and by the expression, that is h of f, it is equal to h of f equal to, it is here is 1 and here is also 1. So 1 is subtracted and 1 is multiplied with j 2 pi f. J 2 pi f. Now as per the formula, we have to take the modulus. So mod h of f whole square. That is, first we have to take the modulus. So it's become 2 pi f whole square plus 1 whole square, then over the root, and then after that whole square. So it's become 4. So it's after opening this 4 pi square f square plus 1. So it's the value of mod h of f square. So its whole values here. Now s y of f, that is equal to 4 pi square f square plus 1 into. Now it is the power spectral density of the random process xt. Now we have given the power auto function of xt. So we know very well that Rx x tau, its Fourier transform it is Fourier transform. It's called its power spectral density, that is equal to x xl. Okay, we know very well that here it is given that e to the power minus a t square. So its Fourier transform it's equal to e to the equal to root pi by a e to the power minus omega square upon 4a. Here a, now you can see here a is equal to pi. Okay, here a is equal to pi. Okay, now is x. Okay, now so as we know Rx is tau, its Fourier transform it's equal to its power spectral density. For if the function is autofusion function is e to the power a t square, so its Fourier transform it's equal to this. Just should be, you have to remember Gaussian function. Result is also Gaussian, so that is equal to root pi by a e to the power minus omega square upon 4a. Okay, now here a is equal to pi, so e to the power minus pi t square. Now it is tau, that's why I am writing here it is tau. I am writing it here is okay. Its Fourier transform is equal to put a equal to pi a e to the power minus omega is equal to 2 pi f whole square upon 4 into pi. Okay, pi से pi cancel, it's equal to, now its term become 1, it is equal to e to the power minus 4 pi square f square upon 4 pi. Okay, now by the help this 4 to 4 cancel, this pi cancel, so it's become e to the power minus pi f square, e to the power pi f square. So this is the value of this. So that's why s y it means power spectral density of output, that is equal to and here it is plus is also there, plus 1 is also there, that is equal to 4 y square f square plus 1 into e to the power minus I f square. So the correct answer is this vanishes, this minus here, so it's also vanished. The correct answer of this question is option A.